So you guys, we're up real close and personal because I'm going to share with you guys the Kiss One Step Lashes. These are in the style natural. Yes, I've already used them. They did wear for a full 24 hours. I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply these. Like, now I kind of want these in all the styles they have. Y'all, I love these so much. Just $15 at Walmart's. Y'all, it's so easy. You'll see what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply one layer of my Cello mascara. So it comes with this applicator, which I do use. It's got this little curved edge, so it fits perfectly on your top lashes to squeeze them together. You guys, just watch how easy it is to apply these. So freaking simple. Now, like I said, these did wear for 24 full hours. This will be the second time I'm going to try to wear these to see if you can use them more than once. Let's just see. Well, it's still sticky. It's just not wanting to adhere. So maybe you can't use these more than once. It was worth a try. So we'll go on to the new ones. That easy. Bye-bye. Now, you'll see here that little white speck that is extra adhesive that's already on here. I just press it up like that and poof, see you later. Look, already two of them on. You can just leave them like this and just have that little cute corner wisp, or do a full lash. It's so easy. Now, the whole top layer of these are sticky. That's what makes them adhere to your other lashes. Now, I'm going to take the applicator they provided and just squeeze them together. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go finish them. I'll be right back. All right, guys, they are on. Look at these. Now, there is that black line right, where your lash line is there. You want to put these as close to that as possible. And now here's where I take the applicator that it came with and I squeeze them just as close together as possible. So I have that kind of natural curvature in my eyelashes. Like I said, this is where that curvature in this really comes in handy. Look, all done. How easy is this? So easy. Again, only $15. Downside to it, I'm a little disappointed that I couldn't use these more than once. It's just, well, I could. I just have to apply some glue. Now, some of them do seem stickier than others along the adhesive line right up in there. Some of them are stickier than others. Now, there is adhesive a little bit ways down here in the lashes themselves, and that just kind of helps them adhere to your natural lashes better. You're in a hurry and out the door, and you want quick, easy lashes. The Kiss One Step Lashes are definitely the way to go. Now, these did wear all day the other day, and I did make sure they were squeezed very, very good. So, you guys, $15 at Walmart, One Step Lashes, lasted all day long. Wish we could use them more than once without having to adhere more glue to it, but if you're in that hurry and you want gorgeous lashes and out the door, the Kiss One Step Lashes, way to go. All right, you guys, here they are up close, real close. Look. See where that line is? That's where you want to follow your natural lash line. How easy is this? Like, wow.